friends, welcome back to Life with Nenye. If you have been wondering what kind of job you can actually do from the comfort of your home as a beginner freelancer, then this video is for you. I'll be sharing 5 simple jobs that are high in demand and don't require big technical skills. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to start and how to land your first job. But before we start, please kindly click on the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. The first job for beginners on Upwork and other freelance platforms is data entry. Clients are always looking for freelancers who can help them type information into spreadsheets, organize files, or copy text from one place to another. This job does not require advanced skills, just attention to details and the ability to follow instructions. If you can use Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, you can start doing data entry right away. The second beginner-friendly job is virtual assistant. Yes, virtual assistant is a very broad niche, but there are still jobs you can get even as a beginner. Simple tasks like scheduling appointments, answering emails, organizing documents, or doing online research. Many business owners and entrepreneurs hire virtual assistants because they are too busy to handle all their tasks. You don't need advanced training to get started on this one. Good communication skills and reliability are enough to help you stand out. The third easy job is social media management. People overlook this, but there is money there. You're looking for money? Go for social media management. This could be as simple as helping a client post on Instagram, on Facebook, or TikTok, replying to comments or keeping their accounts active. You don't have to be a professional marketer. No, you don't need that. Small businesses just need someone consistent to help them manage their pages. If you already spend time on social media, this is a great way to turn that time into money. The fourth job is customer service. Some companies hire freelancers online on Upwork and other freelance platforms to answer customer inquiries through email, chat, or even calls. This is beginner friendly because all you really need to do is have patience, good communication skills, and the ability to follow scripts or guidelines given by your client. If you're someone that enjoys helping people and solving small problems, this could be a perfect fit for you. The fifth job is content writing. Don't worry, this does not mean you have to be a professional writer. Many clients just need short blog posts, product descriptions, or simple articles. As long as you can write clearly in English and you can avoid grammatical errors, you can take this job. To make it easier, you can also use free tools like Grammarly to polish your English. Now, before you rush to apply for these jobs, these are tips that worked for me personally. Make your profile professional, and that means you should include your skills and a friendly photo that attracts clients. Start small. Apply for simple tasks to build your reputation. Be consistent. Apply daily. Don't give up if you don't get a job immediately. So, there you have it. 5 easy jobs for beginners on Upwork and other freelance platforms. These jobs does not require you to have big technical skills, but they can help you earn money online and grow your freelancing career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to start freelancing. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.